Angie Juliet Diaz, and today I will talk about the phonetic sounds. And let's start. This sound is V when we say vat or lamp. This sound is D when we say dead or lady. This sound is F when we say fine or if. This sound is G when we say give or flag. This sound is H when we say how or hello. This sound is Z when we say yellow or yes. This sound is K when we say cat or back. This sound is L when we say leg or little. This sound is when we say man or lemon. This sound is when we say no or tent. This sound is when we say sink or finger. This sound is p when we say pen or map. This sound is r when we say red or try. This sound is s when we say sun or miss. This sound is sh when we say she or crash. This sound is t when we say tea or getting. This sound is ch when we say check or shirt. This sound is t when we say think or but. This sound is th when we say this or mother. This sound is v when we say voice or five. This sound is g when we say get or window. This sound is z when we say so or lazy. And this sound is s when we say pressure or vision. And this sound is z when we say just or large. Thank you very much. See you later. Bye.